Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Recently, the International Criminal Court issued a decision regarding the scope of its territorial jurisdiction over issues pertaining to Israeli-Palestinian conflict. According to this, ICC has agreed to look into the human rights violation that occurred during the Israel-Palestinian issue. Palestinian Authority has welcomed this decision. On the other hand, Israel has criticized the ICC action as an unwarranted intervention that undermines its sovereignty and threatened that the move may eventually eliminate the possibility of two-state solution. Presently, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict is marked by a relatively low-intensity conflict, with the recurring spikes in violence and the continual erosion of political options. This dangerous status quo could directly impact sustainable peace and drag the region into instability. What is the two-state solution? The two-state solution has for decades been the primary focus of efforts to achieve peace in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The solution would establish an independent Palestinian state alongside Israel, two states for two peoples. In this theory, this would win Israel's security and allow it to retain a Jewish demographic majority while granting the Palestinians a state. The 1947 United Nations partition plan led to decades of military action and violence between Israel and Palestine. It was the only after the mediation of US. In the 1991 Madrid Peace Conference, a two-state solution was agreed to resolve the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. According to the United Nations, only a two-state solution that realizes the legitimate national aspirations of Palestinian and Israel can lead to sustainable peace. Risk of two-state solution. Iranian angle, tensions and risk factors persist along Israel's northern fronts, particularly after the Israel strikes in Syria against Iranian and Hezbollah targets associated with Palestine, and more recently the killing of Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani by the US. Regional Cold War. Middle East region is witnessing a regional Cold War between Iran and Saudi Arabia. This has led to emergence of smaller but lethal military groups. For example, Houthi rebels in Yemen. These groups can acquire greater capabilities which can cause further instability in the region. All of these factors exacerbate instability and the prospect of single or even a multi-front war. Third, Intifada. Finally, these conditions could result in the outbreak of a third Intifada, and peaceful resistance can turn into extreme violence and gross human rights violations. Divided political leadership in Palestine. The Palestinian leadership is divided. A two-state solution is supported by Palestinian nationalists in the West Bank, but the leadership in Gaza does not even recognize Israel. Role of India. Historically, India has urged the leadership of both sides to engage in direct negotiation to advance the goal of a two-state solution. In Palestine, India's efforts are focused on national building and strengthening institutions through the India-Palestine Development Partnership covering various sectors of Palestinian economy. With Israel, India shares a special relationship in the domains of defense, science and tech, etc. In this context, India can leverage its soft power to propel these two countries towards lasting peace.